Welcome to Life Extension Live. I'm your host, Dr. Crystal, and I'm here at our Health and Wellness Market in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're bringing you the latest and greatest updates from Life Extension, our new innovations, and presenting Gummy Science Mediterranean Weight Management. It's our latest gummy in our gummy lineup. We have a melatonin gummy. We have gummies for eye support, digital eye support, and we're just continuing to add to our gummy line. And we know that managing your weight is an essential part to good health. And Life Extension is trying to make it easy for you. So on today's show, we're going to discuss why take a gummy over a traditional vitamin and our newest Gummy Science Weight Management Gummy. Now let's talk about gummies first. We know it's trending. Everyone wants a gummy. I've even started looking for gummies myself. I'm kind of falling into the trend. I still take some vitamins and capsules and tablets, but gummies are a great way to get your nutrients. They taste good. They're easy to swallow, but most gummies are in the market are just not cracked up all that they're cracked up to be. For example, many of them contain low dose ingredients. The doses of the ingredients are not clinically validated, as well as they are full of added sugars, artificial flavors, artificial colorings. And if Life Extension is going to make a gummy, you know we are going to do it the right way. So our Mediterranean Weight Management Gummy is sugar-free, natural flavors, natural coloring. They taste good, as well as they include, this one in particular, a patented trademark ingredient with clinical research, the exact dose of the nutrient that has been shown to be beneficial in research. And what's that nutrient? Morocil. It's a moral red orange. It's one of the most pigmented red oranges that you can find, full of polyphenol, antioxidants. And guess what? That red orange or Morocil has clinical research. And I'll just highlight some of the research. The clinical data shows reduced body weight and abdominal fat. And just to highlight a couple of the clinical studies, the first clinical study is kind of nice because there were no diet or exercise recommendations. Now, I'm not saying you should take this gummy and not exercise or not try to manage your diet with a good Mediterranean style eating plan. But in this first study, there were no recommendations. There was a 4% body weight reduction in 3 months, reduced BMI, as well as reduced weight and hip circumference. Now, the second clinical study did include diet and exercise recommendations. There was a 4.2% body weight reduction in 6 months, reduced body fat mass, and reduced visceral fat. We know that's that fat, that internal fat that's surrounding your organs, as well as a reduction in subcutaneous fat. So there you have it, the newest weight loss supplement from Life Extension. And if you would like to learn more, head over to lifeextension.com/new product. You'll find all the details on Gummy Science Mediterranean Weight Management. See you next time.